Alright guys, I pulled that tank down and I sealed that thing up and tightened it back down. Put it all back in here. Now I've got to weld on these mufflers and we'll come back and we'll see what they sound like. I have to go get fuel first because it's bone dry, and I've got to make a couple of little extension tips for the back there, just where they extend out underneath the 5-6 inch tip, 5 inch, 4 inch, just something to reach out from underneath the fiberglass, or even with the back here. All right, stay tuned. We'll see what she sounds like. All right guys, thanks for watching.